Hi, I'm Alex and welcome to the Boathouse Paddle Series where we talk about everything concerning paddle. Today's question is, how do I get email notifications when I get a new subscriber or when someone buys my digital product? Well, that's fairly simple, but it's hidden a little bit. If you go into your account under Developer Tools, Notifications, this section is usually used if you want to technically respond to an event in Paddle. So if your SaaS needs to create an account or do something in the account when a subscription is created, you'll go ahead into New Destination, and the notification type that you want is Webhook, where you specify the SaaS technical endpoint that receives a message. But what you might not know is that you can change this notification type to email, and then instead of sending it to your SaaS, you can send it to your email address. Let's go with a test, and we'll just do a test here. And then you can go ahead and select the events that you want to receive via email. Now, you can subscribe to all of them, but you'll get a lot of emails. The two I recommend is for a SaaS, you want to know if a new subscription is created, so register that event. You might also want a subscription cancel, that can be useful. If you're a digital product seller, I would uncheck those and rather use the transaction completed event, which means someone paid for your product successfully. And that way you can create email notifications for your paddle events. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.